push button to lock, push button to unlock, turn the knob to lock, enter access code to unlock, also lock from the outside. Ringing feature. Which gets our dog crazy.
So I just finished installing the eufy Family S3 Max. This thing is pretty cool. So literally, like, I can wave my hand like this and it'll unlock. Well, let me lock this really quick. You can lock it. You have a doorbell on here. You got a camera. Literally, I just scan my hand like that and it unlocks. It has other really cool features too, like you can just like punch your key, put a bunch of different codes in there. As long as you put yours and then unlock, it will unlock as well. The other cool thing with this is on the inside, it actually has a little screen inside there, so you can kind of see who is outside before opening the door. And then to lock it, you can either turn it or just press over the lock, and then that locks it.
It's like dead. The hell? But it's not dead.